Good evening, ladies. Today, I'm bringing some more chrono data your way. After my last video comparing IMI 77 grain razor core with AAC's in-house 77 grain bullets, I was asked if I had any 75 grain AAC ammo, which is made with Chrono'd's boat tail hollow point match bullets. Conveniently, I had several boxes on the shelf, so I'm chronoing them alongside some PMC X-TAC 55 grain FMJs. Obviously, these are very different ammunition, and this video shouldn't be seen as a direct comparison. Rather, the goal is to first get an idea of the capabilities of two very different ammo types, and second, to bring you muzzle velocity data of these two ammo types out of 16 and 14.5 inch barrels. Before I had a chronograph, I spent a lot of time searching Reddit and various forums, trying to get good muzzle velocity data for different barrel length and ammo combinations. If you don't have a chronograph, hopefully this data is helpful in building out those dope cards. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see other types of ammo chronoed. I do plan on slowly expanding this database and possibly adding info for 12.5 inch barrel velocities as well. So the testing protocol today is 120 rounds total, 30 of each ammo type through each respective barrel length, chronoed with a Garmin. The first 20 rounds from each barrel and ammo combination went into two 10-round groups. Then I had fun on steel with the last 10 rounds. The 16-inch rifle is a LaRue match upper, while the 14.5 inch barrel is a Knight's SR-15. So first, here's my raw data from today's ammo. Then I'll combine with numbers from the previously chronoed IMI 77 grain and AAC 77 grain, and briefly editorialize and give you some conclusions. The 75 grain AAC had muzzle velocities of 2,636 feet per second and 2,711 feet per second from the 14.5 and 16-inch barrels, with standard deviations of 20.4 and 22.8. The 55 grain X-TAC had velocities of 2,971 and 3,080 feet per second from the barrels, with standard deviations of 23.6 and 25.6. Overcaffeination, ADHD, and whatever the opposite of perfectionism is, do not combine to make beautiful groups. However, 10-round groups provide a much more realistic picture of an ammo's capability than do 5-rounders. I think many of the self-proclaimed 1 MOA ARs that are seen in forum comments could use a humbling dose of 10-round groups. I did include all flyers in my groups except for one that was so far off I'm confident I'd switch my point of aim to a different dot. The 4 10-round groups of 75 grain AAC averaged 1.82 inches, while the PMC FMJ averaged just a hair under 3 inches. Interestingly, the 75 grain Chrono'd bullet AAC grouping average from today was within 1/10 of an inch of what I shot previously with a 77 grain AAC made with AAC's in-house bullet. This leads me to believe that the primary limitation of the AAC match ammo is the consistency of the manufacturing and powder load process rather than the bullet selection. So no surprises here in the end. The FMJ ammo's 3-inch grouping is about what I'd expect for cheap FMJ. The 75 grain AAC performed similarly to its 77 grain brother. Standard deviations in the high teens to low 20s and group sizes slightly under 2 inches are what I've come to expect. While calling it match ammo may be a stretch, it certainly outperforms ball ammo, and the value proposition of finding 75 and 77 grain boat tail hollow point ammo for only 10 cents per round more than cheap ball ammo is hard to say no to. I'm calling it match light ammo, and it's become my go-to stockpile. Let's hope that PSA keeps those daily deals coming. Thanks for your time and engagement. Planning to put out a few more of these, like I said, so let me in the comments what you'd like to see next ammo-wise. Blue Mountains, y'all.